got rained out at Legoland. I'm ready to play with some Legos. Now, where are those Legos? I want to build a castle.
Don't mean Disney was going to build something.
No, I'm the master builder.
That's funny. We're gonna get them first. Yeah. Where are those Legos? I thought they were in here. Yeah. They're not up here.
I have to find the Legos before the girls. Nope, not here. Where are they? Are they under the bed? Oh, there you go. Oh, have you found them yet?
Nope, they're not on my side.
There they are. Those are mine.
No, those are ours.
Those are mine.
No, baby, look me up. Those are mine. No, those are mine. Bye-bye.
Hey, wait. Come on, John, we'll have a truce. It's us against the kids. We can make a truce and I know that we can beat them. What do you say?
I need all the Legos to build my model.
I'll share with you. I just want a few to make a cute little puppy.
Okay.
Okay, great. Yes.
Oh no, they're teaming up. Mom and Dad are old and slow. Yeah. So we should team up together. Yeah. I'm going to build Unikitty. That's what I was going to build. We can build it together and make a giant one. Oh yeah, that would be such a good idea. Briar Rose, look what I got. I brought this with me. Look what I got.
I came prepared. Figured I might need to use these with the kids.
So let's get our Legos.
Let the battle begin. Girls, I have something for you.
Okay, Mom. I can't believe Mom brought a Nerf bastard too. I would figure me and Briar Rose would bring one, but not the parents.
Ah, I'm out.
Ah! She's out. There goes our chance. Come on, let's go. I'm going to get you. Oh no, I'm out of ammo.
You're
They
out?
almost got me. Yeah, they almost got me.
I'll protect you.
My hero. Alright, that was close.
I think that scared them off.
That scared them off. But we need to retrieve the Legos. How are we going to do that?
Alright, let's go get them.
Alright, ready?
I got your back.
You got my back? Wait, I need something.
I got you.
Wait,
I'll
wait.
cover.
Hold on. There has to be something somewhere. Yes!
Got one?
I got one.
Alright, let's go.
It's right up there.
I'm glad that we got more. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Oh yeah, baby. What's that sound? Sounds like somebody crawling. What is she doing? Let's just get her.
I failed. John, it's up to you.
We defeated her. Woohoo! High five. Now we can get Legos. Woohoo! Let's go.
Not so fast.
Oh no! Retreat! Retreat!
These Legos are mine.
We only have one shot at this. We have to win. He missed. Get up! We're gonna get you. Don't you just love Legos? Yes. This is so much fun. Yes. Check out more videos here. Our subscribe over here. Click it, click it, click it.